Hello student, let us discuss hard and soft water. Okay, so the water here which contain dissolved salts of bicarbonates. Okay, bicarbonates means formula what? We have the calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate. Okay, HMgHCO3. Also you called as a bicarbonate as was hydrogen carbonates and sulfates and chlorides and of what calcium magnesium called as a what hot water means what me here. So you can see like calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, and if you see calcium sulfate means CSO4, magnesium sulfate. Okay, MgSO4. These salts, if it is present in the water, that is called what? Here we can call as a hard water. Here, so here we have the hard water. Okay. Now, soft water is means what? Soft water is free from bicarbonates, nothing but hydrogen carbonate, sulfates and fluorides of calcium, magnesium. Means if these salts like calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, if it is not there, that is called what? Soft water. Okay. It produces leather with the soap solution. Example, we have distilled water, rainwater. So you can see the leather. Okay, nothing but you can see that you can at our generally our houses also we can see that. Okay, if water is very soft, you can see like foam you can get very well. If it is not there, you are not going to get. It indicate means it is a hard water. So best example for the soft water we have the distilled water and rainwater. In the lab we are using the distilled water only, not the normal water. Okay. With the hot water what happen, you can if you use the water, that water you are going to get the precipitate with the soap instead of leather. You can going to get the what like precipitates going to become, and whatever the dirt is, it's not going well with the hot water. Now actually what is the soap here? Soap containing sodium stearate. What is the formula of sodium stearate? We have C17H35COONA react with the hot water to precipitate out calcium and magnesium stearate. Okay, here what is the formula mean? For sake of remembering this formula, okay, if you take, as you know very well, what is the formula of alkane CnH2n plus 2? Here if you take the n equal to 17, if you substitute here, what is going to get? C17H36. In this, remove one hydrogen atom and add COONA group. So finally you are going to get this one. This is called by sodium stearate formula of soap. Now, so this is going to react with the what? Uh, hard water, and this sodium ion is going to replace with the what? Calcium and magnesium. Here you can see the equation. This is the sodium stearate, nothing but soap here. Here we have the ions, that's nothing but these are the calcium or magnesium. Here we are taking the what? In the hot water we have the cations, what we have? Calcium and magnesium. So this is either you can take calcium or magnesium Mg plus 2. Okay. Now what is the formula you are going to get here? That's what we told. So if it's hot water, it's going to get the precipitate. Here you can see the precipitate formula C17H35CO taken to M. Okay. M mean here calcium or magnesium with the what? Giving the two sodium ions. Why? Because means here if you see, here if it's undergo ionization means general for sake of understanding, C17H35COO, sorry, we have C17H35COO minus, okay, plus Na plus. So here as you know very well, sodium having the what? Only one positive charge. So here we are taking the one second group elements means two positive charge. So for one positive charge here, one calcium or magnesium, if you want to substitute means we have to remove the two sodium ions. Why? Because means charges has to balance. Here we have the plus 2 charge. If two sodium ions only, you can, as you know very well, we have to replace the what? Two sodium ions. So here we're taking the 2 moles. So that 2 moles of this sodium stearate going to replace the one calcium ion. So you are going to get the precipitate this one depletion of what with the two sodium ions. This is the reaction when react with the what? Hard water. Now let us see differences between the temporary and permanent hard water. Okay. So if you see temporary hardness water means it is due to presence of what? Bicarbonates or hydrogen carbonates of calcium and magnesium. Here permanent is what? Because of presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. Okay. Means what? If it is water, if you have calcium bicarbonate, okay, magnesium bicarbonate, you are going to get the what? Temporary hardness water. If you have calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, and along with the what? Calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. Okay, if it is there, so all are giving the hardness of water. Okay, all are giving the hardness of water. In that, if calcium magnesium bicarbonate is there, it is giving the temporary hardness of water. If calcium magnesium chlorates and sulfates are there, it is giving the what? Permanent hardness of water. Now here for removal of temporary hardness of water is very cheap, but in case of permanent it is somewhat expensive. Now here method for removing the temporary hardness of water we have in the textbook too. One is what? Boiling and Clark method. Okay. For the sake of remembering, I kept the landmark as a what? BC Clark, nothing but boiling and Clark method. Now come to the removing of hardness of permanent hardness of water. We have the four methods. One is what? Treating with the washing soda. What is the formula of washing soda? Sodium carbonate like Na2CO3. Colgan method. Third one, ion exchange method. Fourth one, synthetic resin method. Okay. Here we have the one landmark. Here I am taking the one letter as a so. In the Colgan I am taking the col. In ion exchange method I am taking the only one letter I. And from synthetic resin I am taking the S. So if you add together, so call IS. Okay. Nothing but here soda, washing soda, Colgan method, ion exchange and synthetic resin method. Okay. These are the methods to remove the permanent hardness of water. Okay, what are these methods? I will discuss in the next video.